Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Manha English Channel. We are very happy to have you here with us today.
Today's episode is all about useful English phrases for daily life. These are simple phrases you can use in real conversations every day.
Yes, whether you are at home, at work, at school, or outside, these phrases will help you speak more naturally.
Yes, these phrases will help us speak in real conversations.
Let us start with a very common phrase. How are you?
I can answer, I am fine, thank you. How about you?
Excellent. Another useful phrase is, what are you doing?
I can say, I am studying English.
Very good. Now let us learn a polite phrase, excuse me.
Yes, I can use it when I want to get someone's attention.
That is right. And if you need help, you can say, can you help me, please?
I can use that in daily life when I need support.
Great. Another useful phrase is, I do not understand.
Yes, that helps when I need more explanation.
And then you can say, can you say that again?
I have used that phrase before and it really helps.
Very good. Let us practice a short conversation.
Yes, I am ready.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I am looking for the bus stop.
It is near the market.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Excellent. That was clear and natural.
I feel more confident already.
Another important phrase is, I am sorry.
Yes, I can say that when I make a mistake.
Good. And if something is fine, you can say, no problem.
That sounds friendly and polite.
Very good. Let us learn phrases for shopping.
Yes, shopping phrases are very useful.
You can say, how much is this?
I can ask that in a shop.
Great. And if you want to buy something, you can say, I would like this one.
Yes, that sounds polite.
Another helpful phrase is, do you have this in another color?
I can use that when I want more options.
Excellent. Let us practice.
Yes, please.
How much is this shirt?
It is $20.
Do you have this in blue?
Yes, we do.
I would like this one, please.
Sure, here you are.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Excellent. That was real-life English.
I like these simple phrases.
Now let us learn phrases for food and restaurants.
Yes, I use these a lot.
You can say, I'm hungry.
Or, I am thirsty.
Very good. If you are ordering food, you can say, I would like a sandwich.
I can also say, can I have tea, please?
Excellent. And if the food is good, you can say, this is delicious.
Yes, I use that when I enjoy my meal.
Let us try a restaurant conversation.
Yes, I'm ready.
Good evening. What would you like?
I would like a cup of tea, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Here you are.
Thank you. This is delicious.
Perfect. That sounded natural.
I feel happy when I can use these phrases.
Another useful phrase is, I am full.
Yes, I can say that after eating.
Great. Now let us learn phrases for time and plans.
Yes, this is very important in daily life.
You can say, what time is it?
I can also ask, what time do we meet?
Excellent. And if you are busy, you can say, I am busy right now.
That is helpful when I cannot talk.
Good. And if you are free, you can say, I am free now.
Yes, that is very easy to use.
Let us practice.
Yes, go ahead.
Are you free now?
Yes, I am free now.
What time do we meet?
We meet at 5 o'clock.
Perfect. That was very clear.
I feel more comfortable speaking now.
Another useful phrase is, I will try my best.
Yes, I like that because it sounds positive.
And if you need more time, you can say, please wait a moment.
That is very useful in real conversations.
Good. Let us learn phrases for feelings.
Yes, feelings are important too.
You can say, I am happy, I am tired, or I am nervous.
I can say, I am excited to learn English.
Very good. Let us make a short conversation.
Yes, I am ready.
How do you feel today?
I am tired, but I am happy because I have learned new phrases.
A very useful phrase is, I am on my way.
Yes, I can say that when I am coming somewhere.
Excellent. Another common phrase is, see you later.
I can use that when I say goodbye.
Very good. And if you want someone to wait, you can say, just a moment.
That sounds polite and useful.
Great. Let us practice a small conversation.
Yes, I am ready.
Are you coming now?
Yes, I am on my way.
Okay. See you later.
See you later.
Excellent. That was simple and natural.
I feel more confident using these short phrases.
Another helpful phrase is, I am ready.
Yes, I can use that before starting something.
Good. And if you are not ready, you can say, not yet.
That is a very short and easy answer.
Exactly. Simple answers are very useful in daily life.
I like simple English because it is easy to remember.
Now let us learn a few phrases for home life.
Yes, home phrases are important too.
You can say, I'm home.
Or, I am at home now.
Very good. If you want to rest, you can say, I need some rest.
Yes, I use that when I feel tired.
Excellent. Let us practice.
Yes, please.
Where are you now?
I am at home now.
Do you need anything?
Yes, I need some rest.
Perfect. That was clear and natural.
I feel more relaxed when I use these phrases.
Another useful phrase is, I forgot.
Yes, I can use that when I don't remember something.
Good. And if you remember later, you can say, now I remember.
That is very helpful in conversation.
Great. Let us do another practice.
Yes, I am ready.
Did you bring your notebook?
Oh, I forgot.
Now do you remember?
Yes, now I remember.
Excellent. That was very natural.
I like learning phrases like this.
Another important phrase is, I am learning English.
Yes, I can use that when someone asks me what I am doing.
Very good. And if someone praises you, you can say, thank you very much.
That is a polite and friendly reply.
Excellent. Let us practice.
Yes, please.
What are you doing these days?
I am learning English.
A very useful phrase is, I am not sure.
Yes, I can say that when I do not know the answer.
Excellent. Another good phrase is, let me think.
I can use that when I need a little time.
Very good. These phrases help you stay calm in conversation.
I feel more relaxed when I know them.
Let us practice a short conversation.
Yes, I am ready.
Do you know the answer?
I am not sure. Let me think.
That is a perfect answer.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
Another useful phrase is, it depends.
Yes, I can use that when the answer is not simple.
Good. And if you want to agree politely, you can say, that is true.
I use that when I agree with someone.
Excellent. Let us learn phrases for everyday situations.
Yes, everyday English is very important.
You can say, I am late.
Or, I am on time.
Very good. If you want to ask about someone's plan, you can say, what are your plans?
That is a useful question in daily life.
Let us practice.
Yes, please.
Are you ready?
I am not sure. Let me think.
Okay. What do you think?
It depends on the time.
Very good. That was natural.
I feel happy because I can use these phrases.
Another important phrase is, I will call you later.
Yes, I can say that when I am busy.
Great. And if someone helps you, you can say, I really appreciate it.
That is a very polite phrase.
Excellent. Let us do one more practice.
Yes, I am ready.
Can you come now?
I am late. I will call you later.
No problem.
I really appreciate it.
A very helpful phrase is, could you repeat that, please?
Yes, I can use that when I do not hear clearly.
Excellent. Another useful phrase is, I did not catch that.
That sounds natural and polite.
Very good. These phrases help in real conversations.
I feel more comfortable when I know what to say.
Let us practice a short dialogue.
Yes, I am ready.
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
Could you repeat that, please?
Of course. I said, the meeting is at 6 o'clock.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Excellent. That was very natural.
I like using short and clear phrases.
Another useful phrase is, that makes sense.
Yes, I can say that when I understand something clearly.
Good. And if you want to show surprise, you can say, really?
I have heard that many times in conversations.
Very good. Now let us learn phrases for daily routines.
Yes, routine phrases are very useful.
You can say, I just woke up.
Or, I am getting ready.
Excellent. And if you're leaving home, you can say, I'm heading out.
That sounds very natural.
Let us practice.
Yes, please.
What are you doing now?
I just woke up and I am getting ready.
Are you going outside?
Yes, I am heading out.
Perfect. That sounds like real English.
I feel more confident with these phrases.
Another important phrase is, I will be there soon.
Yes, I can use that when I am coming late.
Great. And if you are waiting, you can say, I am waiting.
That is very simple and easy.
Excellent. Let us do one more practice.
Yes, I am ready.
Are you on your way?
Yes, I will be there soon.
A very useful phrase is, I'm just looking.
Yes, I can use that in a shop when I do not need help.
Excellent. Another phrase is, I will take it.
That is helpful when I want to buy something.
Very good. Let us practice a small shopping conversation.
Yes, I am ready.
Can I help you?
I'm just looking, thank you.
Do you like this one?
Yes, I will take it.
Wonderful. That sounded very natural.
I feel more confident in shopping situations.
Another useful phrase is, I am not feeling well today.
Yes, I can use that when I am sick or tired.
Good. And if you need rest, you can say, I need to rest.
That is a very clear and simple sentence.
Excellent. Let us practice.
Yes, please.
How are you today?
I am not feeling well today. I need to rest.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you for understanding.
Very good. That was a real-life conversation.
I like these short and useful phrases.
Another phrase you should know is, I am in a rush.
Yes, I can say that when I do not have much time.
Great. And if you want someone to wait, you can say, please wait a moment.
That sounds polite and useful.
Let us practice again.
Yes, I am ready.
Can you talk now?
I am in a rush. Please wait a moment.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you very much.
Excellent. That is very natural English.
I feel happy because I can use these phrases.
Another important phrase is, I need more practice.
Yes, that is honest and useful.
Exactly. It shows that you are learning.
I want to keep improving every day.
A very useful phrase is, I am looking forward to it.
Yes, I can say that when I feel excited about something.
Excellent. Another common phrase is, that sounds good.
I use that when I like an idea or plan.
Very good. And if you want to show support, you can say, good luck.
That is a simple and kind phrase.
Let us practice a short conversation.
Yes, I'm ready.
Are you excited about tomorrow?
Yes, I am looking forward to it.
That sounds great.
Thank you. That sounds good to me too.
Wonderful. That was natural and clear.
I feel more confident when I use these phrases.
Another useful phrase is, I have a question.
Yes, I can say that before asking something.
Good. And if you want to answer kindly, you can say, sure.
That is a very common and useful word.
Exactly. Daily English often uses short, polite words.
I want to remember these simple words.
Let us do another practice.
Yes, please.
Do you understand?
Yes, I have a question.
Sure, go ahead.
I want to learn more useful phrases for daily life.
A very useful phrase is, I will think about it.
Yes, I can say that when I need time to decide.
Excellent. Another phrase is, that's a good point.
I can use that when I agree with someone's idea.
Very good. And if you want to change the topic, you can say, by the way.
That sounds very natural in conversation.
Let us practice a short conversation.
Yes, I am ready.
Are you excited about tomorrow?
I will think about it.
Okay, no problem.
By the way, what time will you go?
We will go at 5.
That's a good point. I will try to come on time.
Excellent. That sounded very natural.
I feel more confident using these phrases.
Another useful phrase is, I see what you mean.
Yes, I can say that when I understand someone.
Good. And if you are unsure, you can say, maybe.
That is a simple and useful word.
Exactly. Simple words are very powerful.
I feel more relaxed when I use simple English.
Let us do another practice.
Yes, please.
Do you agree with me?
Yes, I see what you mean.
Will you come with us?
Maybe. I will think about it.
Thank you so much for listening to Dr. Manha English Channel.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like this video.
Share it with your friends who want to learn English.
And do not forget to subscribe to Dr. Manha English Channel.
We create simple English podcasts to help you speak confidently.
Keep practicing, keep learning.
And never stop improving your English.
We will meet you again in the next episode with another interesting English podcast.
Until then, keep listening, keep speaking.
Goodbye, and take care.